Hayden Bear? Where are you hiding?
In here.
Where?
In the box.
Can you come out and smile or giggle?
Gee.
Where are you?
Don't!
Hi.
Don't!
Who's in there with you?
Pop.
And?
Oh.
Oh my goodness, what are you doing in that box? What are you doing?
Well, don't.
Okay, I love you. Are you sleeping in there today?
What?
Are you sleeping in there today?
Uh-huh. That's right. Thank you.
I love you.
Hi.
Bye.